Good morning. It is day 16 of our soft lockdown since we have been inside since the Saturday after the kids got out of school. This is the actual formal end of spring break because tomorrow is the Monday that they would have been going back to school. So we're going to get back into school stuff this week. For breakfast this morning though, Talon has been asking for crepes for a while. So I think I'm gonna make some crepes, even though all the kids are sleeping because they were up until 3. Well, not Chayton, Chayton's up now. But Talon and Raven were up pretty late. So they're still sleeping, but I'm gonna make the crepes ahead of time and then just reheat them as needed. I make my crepes out of this cookbook. This was the very first cookbook I ever got from my mom and dad because it was when I was in an apartment at school, and it has definitely seen better days. You can see all of these are missing. The back is destroyed, but I still like the chili recipe and the crepes recipe out of here. And I should probably revisit it for some other recipes too. So there's the ingredients. This stuff down here is just for the toppings. So up until the 2 large eggs, that's all for the actual crepe itself. I would recommend doing the flour and baking powder and stuff through the sifter just to make sure that it's a fine texture and that it blends into the wet stuff appropriately. Oh, you do have some of the homemade whipped cream on there. Did Daddy put it on the thing or did he do that?
You did.
Well, no, but like it looks like he put it in the actual.
I don't know how it got there.
How's your peanut butter crepe?
Good.
Yeah. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have mixed it with some cream cheese and done a cream cheese peanut butter filling for you. Oh, that would have been better. I rolled one already, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna fill it with the strawberries, which I did add some cornstarch to try and thicken it up a little bit. And I'm not using too much because I'm sure that Talon and Raven, when they wake up, they're gonna want some. So, just doing it enough to fill it. And then I am gonna take some syrup, chocolate syrup. We're gonna drizzle.
No, we're not gonna play with those, okay?
I like my sweet breakfasts.
No,
Chocolate. I want to stuff some chocolate in my face. Just a bit of whipped cream on top. I like whipped cream. There you go. Breakfast. Got my crepes, my coffee, and my company. Do you know how to put that on? Can you put it on? It's as big as your whole head. Here. Ready? Hold on. Oh my goodness. That's the same size, dude. That's the same size. Alan requested his with fresh strawberries and chocolate. Mr. I like the fresh stuff. Talon and I are going to be going live in like 5 minutes. But Kevin is finally putting up our Ring doorbell that I totally even forgot that we had because he got it for Christmas. So that's going to be a good addition.
Let's see. Maybe I'll have it done by tonight.
Maybe you'll have it done by the time the quarantine is over. No, he's just so excited because he put in his new Ring doorbell and now he's just sitting there looking out the window to play with the Ring doorbell while he looks at it in real time. Are you trying to see if there's a delay?
No.
Oh.
Cars were setting it off as it
Oh, so you need to set it so it's not setting it off. I'm on a mission. I'm gonna go drive our car around just to try to get. Oh, a car just went by. So does that mean you don't need me to go drive around?
It didn't go off.
Oh, it didn't. Okay. So you don't need me to go then.
You know what? Go. Because I want to see when he pulls in the driveway.
Okay. This is how we entertain ourselves during the quarantine. SpaghettiOs in so long, and I normally prefer the hot dog ones, but we had a big can and Raven wanted SpaghettiOs, so I'm just gonna eat the other half of the SpaghettiOs. Okay, I'm editing an episode to go out, and so far Chayton has brought me 4 bottles of water, and I'm expecting more because I do hear him going through the plastic bag or the plastic wrapping of the bottles, but just wait for it. Here he comes. Is it coming? Oh, thank you for the 5th water bottle. Are you going to get more? Like, I'm not going to have room for my computer if I have your water bottles. I'm glad to see you're putting your efforts to good use by moving the water bottles from over here to over there. It's time to make some rockfish. I have no idea what rockfish is, so I'll have to look that up. It's also known as perch, so it's not fancy. Let's take a look at what we have. So we've got the grape tomatoes, the cilantro, we've got scallions and a lime, we got a chili pepper, we got turmeric, which they gave us 2 things of it, the jasmine rice, sour cream, and this is the mushroom stock. We've got ground cumin, and then the rockfish. Any guesses as to what the first step is? Wash and dry all produce, who would have thought? And then we have to halve the tomatoes and trim and thinly slice the scallions, separating whites from greens, mince the cilantro, zest and quarter the lime, and we have to mince the chili, which it's really small, so we'll see. While I'm letting the produce soak in the fruit and veggie wash, I pulled out all of the stuff that I needed. So we've got the zester, we've got a small pot, a medium bowl and 2 small bowls. Then we've got vegetable oil and butter, salt and pepper, and then the large pan. So everything is all set. Our first step for cooking is going to be the rice. So we have to melt a tablespoon of butter, add the scallion whites and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. And then we cook that until fragrant and then stir in the rice stock concentrate and 3/4 cup of water with some salt and bring that to a boil. And then once it boils, we'll reduce it to a low simmer and cook it until it's tender, about 15 to 18 minutes. Next up is to make the salsa fresca, and I kind of cooked half of those, and I cooked a whole bunch and I wasn't supposed to cook them, so they're supposed to go in here. I didn't read half the scallion part, so they're gonna be a little cooked, but hopefully it still is okay. Next up is to make the crema, which is the sour cream, lime juice, lime zest, and a little bit of water for a drizzling consistency. Now we're going to cook the fish. So first we need to combine the cumin and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and do salt and pepper and this spice mixture on it, and then put it in a pan with a little bit of oil and cook for 3 to 5 minutes per side. While the fish is finishing, I'm going to start by plating up the rice, and then we'll pull the fish off at that point and then top it with the salsa and the crema. There you have Baja Rockfish. Going to do an extra shot of lime because I love lime, so I know I'm gonna want some extra lime flavor. I want a bite with everything. It's okay.
Sounds. Facial expression seems iffy to me.
No, it's not as flavorful as I thought it would be. I think I was expecting more heat from it. Maybe I just need to get more into it.
Whoa!
As I'm getting further into it, I'm feeling the heat now. Okay. It was just because I think the end piece just didn't have as much of the cumin and turmeric on it. Someone's coming up. This is another episode that didn't have an outro, which I'm not 100% sure why. I thought I remembered filming one. But we just had an easy day with baking and cooking, so that was pretty much all this episode did. And someone's brushing his teeth. And so it was a good day. The rockfish wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be. Not that I was disappointed in it, but I was just expecting more. And since I'm the only one who likes fish, since it didn't wow me, I'm not going to probably get that one again. More to come. Stay tuned, and we'll see you at the next Meyer Marker.